Well, let's debunk some of these myths. So one is really important to understand the anatomy. The baby itself is very well protected. It's in a sac of fluid called the amniotic fluid and the amniotic membrane, which keeps it protected from the outside world. Obviously, sometimes there is a bit of pain with sex during pregnancy, and this is because during pregnancy, there's a lot more blood flow to the genitals. And so sometimes the cervix can be sensitive, and hence there can be some pain or spotting, and that doesn't necessarily mean you're harming the baby. So you're not in any danger of harming the baby. Also, what they describe it as is, like, will the baby feel some movement? Sure, it's going to feel like the uterus is moving a little bit, but the uterus moves all the time. So it's no different than if the mom were to go for a jog or exercise versus having intercourse. So rest assured, you can't hurt the baby. Number 2 is, can you cause preterm labor? Now, there's 3 reasons why people think that having sex can lead to preterm labor. And there's theoretical reasons, but then in actuality, the data has not shown that in healthy, low-risk pregnancies, these reasons actually pan out. So the first is prostaglandins. So prostaglandins are important during pregnancy and during labor because, one, they can increase the onset of labor. They can cause cervical ripening, and they can cause uterine contractions. And there's 2 ways where prostaglandins come into play during sex. One is that semen contains prostaglandins. And so the thought is that semen, which is released onto the cervix, can then cause cervical ripening and lead to preterm labor. Ultimately, the semen issue, they've actually looked at this in some studies, looking at the Bishop score, which is a score they use to determine the onset of labor and the timing of delivery. And essentially they found that there was no effect of the prostaglandins in semen leading to a change in the time to delivery. And similarly, they looked at this in a variety of studies in a whole different types of ways, and they found that that does not cause an issue. Labor.